I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love. Sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive. How much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table round. Oh, they saving us up for the stable friend of mine. 'Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. I was just substitution for your
Y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Myfirstwig Sale Zone. Shout out you Myfirstwig for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is the name is FL4440. The texture is silky. It says soft and smooth. The length is 20 inches. The hair origin is Indian hair. It says 10 to 15 month lifespan under care. The color is the same as picture, so it's like a 1B30 mix in my opinion. Y'all can let me know what y'all think it is, but that's what I think it is. The cap size is average and is a 4x4 closure wig, air lace. Now I do want to go ahead and say I don't have any adhesive on this unit whatsoever. It came pre everything, meaning it was pre-bleached, it was pre-tweezed, and it was pre-cut. So this is like the ultimate beginner friendly lazy girl unit. So I don't have any adhesive on it, like as you guys can see. I do have some mousse over here for my baby hairs, and it is the lace melt mousse, but I just used it on my baby hair, so I didn't have to apply any edge control on top of that. It was just like makes everything easier, but there's no adhesive on this lace right now at all. Not to say at some point it won't be, because honey, your girl got some stuff to do and I'm probably gonna adhere it to my head, but right now there's none of the things. As far as shedding and tangling, I can go ahead and get that out the way, y'all. This is a straight wig, okay? It is a straight wig. Now, they didn't have the density on there, but I'm gonna say, in my opinion, the density is probably about 150%, maybe even 130. It is super, super lightweight. I wanna throw that out there. Once again, I don't have the density, but that's me speculating on what I think the density of this unit is. As far as shedding and tangling, as I stated, there's none of the things. It's a straight wig. Now, it is more silky than I'm used to getting my straight units from Myfirstwig. Typically when I do a straight unit from Myfirstwig, it's a yucky sort of texture. This one is silky, so I want to go ahead and throw that out there as well. It's not even like a yucky silky mixture. This is more so silky than anything. So I want to throw that out there. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. It does have that adjustable band in the back, and I put it as tight as possible, as well as that elastic band. I made that as tight as possible as well, because in my opinion, it's more big head friendly than not. But honey, do whatever you want to do with that. That is just my personal opinion, but in my opinion, it is more big head friendly than small head friendly. I think you can make it work across the board, but I do think it would be harder for you to wear it glueless if you have a smaller head versus you having a larger head. So once again, do with that what you want to do with that, because I'm in the average cap size. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now I do want to go ahead and point out, like I said, this unit did come pre-tweezed. Now if you like more of a tweezed unit, that's up to you. I feel like it's tweezed perfectly, but you can tweeze it a little more if you want to. And yeah, that is it as far as details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is gonna be that it is super silky. I don't gravitate towards a silky unit. Now that's what you like, then that's what you like. I personally would consider that a con, because I prefer a yucky texture, and I couldn't think of no other con, so I'm just gonna throw that out there, okay? So that's gonna be my con. Now, even though the fact that it's silky was a con, was my con, I love how it feels. It feels really, really nice. Like, I'm not gonna hold you. It is soft and smooth. So I love the way it feels, even though I personally, I'm putting that all over the mic. Even though I personally prefer a yucky texture, I love how smooth it actually feels. So that's that. I also love the color of this unit. I love that it came pre-everything and that it's lazy girl and beginner friendly. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Despite it being silky, I love the unit. I think it is a really cute unit. And you guys know I always say you need at least one straight wig, honey, in your wig closet. You know, I always say wig closet because mine be in the closet. So you need at least one straight wig in your wig closet, in my opinion. And I love that this one is straight and it has that pretty ombre effect. So yes, I would recommend this unit. And it's beginner and lazy girl friendly. Of course I would recommend it. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, comment down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it, if it's a look, if it's a vibe. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, my first wig sale zone. I am truly appreciative of you for sending me this unit and for this collaboration. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hello Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I'll see you love next time. Bye.